In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install KCB mobile banking app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are experiencing this problem, then you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store. And first, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to install the app. However, if you're trying this while logged in, then you need to go ahead and just tap on your profile icon here and then scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences, and under this you can see quite a number of options. Among them is app download preference. If you tap on this, you can see various options. Choose the first one over any network and then tap on OK. This will ensure that you are able to download any app straight from Google Play Store using the network you are currently connected to. At this point, go ahead and try installing the app, and now this should have been fixed. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then the problem might be with Play Store itself. For this, we need to go ahead and access Play Store app info page, and to do that, just long press on Play Store app and look for app info, or if you can see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Play Store app information page. At this point, we want to clear data, but if I go to storage, here you'll see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects or gathers and stores to enhance user experience. However, when they accumulate, they might cause Play Store to malfunction, and one of the effects is being unable to install or download any apps. To fix this, go down to clear data down below here, tap on it and then choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. And look at that, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead, restart your smartphone, and then once you restart your smartphone, go to Play Store again, search for your app, and here we go, our app is here. I'll now proceed and try to install it, and here we go. Now our issue has been sorted. So that's how you can fix can't install KCB mobile app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.